Why does your cat chatter the moment it spots a bird? Biologists call that rapid jaw clicking a murmur that blends instinct, excitement, and strategy. High-speed video shows felines copying the sharp tweets of sparrows within milliseconds, perhaps luring prey a few inches closer to pouncing range. At the same time, muscle scans reveal the movement releases built-up hunting tension, an internal pressure valve when the window glass blocks the chase. Indoor cats even chatter at toy drones, proving the reflex is hardwired, not learned. So that weird sound isn't frustration alone, it's your miniature panther rehearsing dinner. Mind-blowing, right? Hit subscribe and tell us in the comments what sets your kitty's chatter machine off.